Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can edit points in Civil 3D 2020. Generally, after we import the point file, for example, if you have some control points, the style of the control point should be different. And how we can do that, change the style of the control point. Or if we have more than one point group, we can set a new style for each of them. So now I'm gonna show you how we can change the style of the control points. Also, how we can label the points for all of them or for an individual point. So first, open a new drawing in Civil 3D and then import the point file. So click on Tool Space and right click on Points, then choose Create and import the desired point file. Click on the plus button and now set the files of type to the format of the point file. Now we have a file in text, so select it, or we can have CSV file. Now we have this one, so select it and select the desired point file and click open. Select the format of the file. Then click OK. And in the command line type ZE to zoom in the imported points. Now we have these points with the cross point style, and if you want to change this style to another one, in the tool space, Perspective tab, expand the point groups, because all of these pointers save it in a point group. Now we have these all points, and select it and right click, choose properties. In the open dialog, point group properties, we have several tabs: information, point groups, row description matching, include, exclude, query builder, overrides, point list, and also summary. In the point list, we can see all of the points. So now in information tab, we have point style. Here we can set the style of the points. So now set the point style to bound and click OK. We can see the style of all of the points changed to this one. Generally, if we change the style of the point group, the style all of the points will be changed. So now if we wanna change the style of an individual point, as we mentioned, if we have some control points, how we can do that? Again, right click on the desired point group and select Edit Points. In the point editor, we can see that we have all of the pointers with positions, easting, northing, and also point level and their styles. This column is the style. Now if we change the style of the point number 49, for example, if this point is a control point, by double click on its style, then select the desired. Now we set this to benchmark and click OK. Close the dialog. We can find it with a new different style. You can see that this is the point number 49 that changed its style to benchmark, but the other pointers remain the same with bound style. If we change the style of the point group again by the same way, now set it to basic. Now we can see the style all of the point is changed without the style of the control point. And if you remove this style of the control point, for example, we can do that in the point editor again. If we change or if we set it to none, the style of the benchmark will belong to the style of the point group. Click OK. We can see the style of the control point is the same as the style of the other points. So by this way we can change the style of any pointers or all of the pointers that we imported. And for example, if you have more than one control point, or sorry, one point file, how we can change the style of each of the point files or each of the point groups. If you create a new one, point group, now we divide these pointers into two parts, the lower part and the upper part. The upper part will be saved in the all pointers point group, and the lower part will be saved in the created new point group with this name, point group /1, and click OK. We can see that we have two different point groups. In the upper part we don't have labels, but in the lower part we have it. If we change the style of the created point group by the same way, set its style to catch basin, this one, and also we have labels. The lower part belongs to the point group 1, but the upper part only belongs to all points point group. So by this way we can change the style of the points. And now I want to show you how we can label the points. Again, right click on the desired point group, for example now all points, and again choose properties, and in the information tab below the point style we have point label style. So now we can choose one of them. We can label description only, or elevation and description, or elevation only, northing and easting, point number only, and also the other ones. Now we want to label elevation only, so set the point label style to elevation only and click OK. Now we can see the elevation of all of the points. For example, this one 6338.38, and this one 652.9, and all of the other points you can see their elevations. And now set the label of the other point group. We can see this set to point elevation description, and now change it to description only and click apply. We can see only remain the description. And now we should change the height of the descriptions. So select the point group and again choose properties. Next to the point label style, click this button and choose edit current selection. We can edit the selected point label style. Also, here we have several tabs, and in the layout tab, in the text, change the text height. For example, we have 2.5, we can change it to 1.5 and click OK. Again click OK. We can see that it will be smaller than the previous one. also how we can change the color of the labels. By the same way, again select the edit card selection. In the layout tab, in text, set the color to desired one. For example, we change the color to magenta, click OK, and here we can see that the color changed. Again, click OK, click OK. We can see that only the color of the lower part changed to magenta, because the upper part is an individual point group. So finally, by these steps, we can change the point style of each point group or an individual point, and also it is labels. Inshallah, in the next video, I will show you how we can create a new point style or a new point label style with different specifications. For example, if you want to display description and also the listing of the point. See you later. Bye.